Hi, I'm Xiaowei Lü, David. This is my final presentation for the urban theory class. Transportation is the most important network for the city, and the city development is beginning from the point which may be the harbor or the station. And people live around the spot because of the accessibility traffic. It's good for the commercial activity and people's daily life. As the city grows, the downtown gets crowded, and the residents start to move out from the downtown to stay in the suburbs. That is, a city follows the texture of the road to connect the area surrounding the downtown to become a mega city. However, after the city becomes a mega city, original transportation system and network will be the limiting boundary for the future of the mega city. Usually, the edge of the city is a place to put the expressway in the beginning of the development. But after the urban extend, the expressway as cities grow, and the space which is under the expressway is not very easy to use. The people is not comfortable crossing the line and to the other side. Furthermore, even if the expressway is going overhead, like the trunk of the tree, but it's still becoming the edge of the limited. Firstly, there are several expressways in the megacity of New York. Some of them surround the city to be between the river and the downtown. And to elaborate, the high-speed traffic system block the city to be close to the window to the water coast, and whatever the expressway are overhead or not or on the ground. And take the big Brooklyn Queens Expressway for instance. Some part of the BQE are overhead for crossing the region. People or the car can go under the expressway. However, the space which are under the expressway are very difficult to use. They can be a park lot or the sports course, but they do not really connect the both sides beside the road. And overall, and we can say that the expressway divides the urban space whether the expressway is on the ground or not, just like the BQE as we know. And let's back to Taipei. Taipei is the capital city of the small island country Taiwan. Here we can confidently support that Taiwan is a mega city and is still growing. Because of this, the transportation system is still with a traffic that is heavier and heavier than before. In downtown Taipei, there is a MRT system going through the city from the south to the north, and this network connects people's work and home every day. Does this transportation system work without cutting the urban and to the several pieces? Even some section of the system goes in the underground. It does affect the ground traffic, but there are still some part of go overhead between the building. However, it does not cut the city into different parts. And to take the important traffic join the MRT Zhentan station for Taipei, in Taipei, for example, this is a very heavy traffic point in Taipei. The main road is beside the MRT's line, and they are intersection in this point. And furthermore, the MRT station is overhead on the car path, and this means the network does not separate the region to be two parts. And it also does not cut the local road to make another traffic problem. And finally, whether the case study we have there are two different types of the transportation system or not. But there are some similar construction way of them and the overhead way, and that's to say, we can compare them to each other to show that what is the reason to cause a different result in the megacities. According to the City of the Tomorrow and its planning by the Le Corbusier, the scale of the big street block system is made for a car traffic, and the expressway nowadays we have definitely is a kind of the big street block system. In other words, the big scale traffic system is not friendly for the people life, and this maybe is the reason for the expressway cut the city to the separate parts. Thanks for your watching.